Are you looking to make 2023 your best year yet? Do you want to set and achieve your goals, cultivate a positive mindset, and make the most of your time? If so, this video is for you. It provides 10 tips on how to make 2023 your best year ever, covering topics such as goal setting, time management, positivity and gratitude, self care, and seeking out new opportunities. Follow these tips and take control of your life to make 2023 the best year yet. Set specific and achievable goals. Be sure to make your goals smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Create a plan of action. Break your goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks and create a schedule to help you stay on track. Practice time management. Make sure you're using your time effectively and efficiently by prioritizing tasks and eliminating distractions. Focus on positivity and gratitude. Shift your mindset to one of positivity and gratitude, and try to find the good in every situation. Take care of your physical and mental health. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, exercise, and self-care to keep yourself energized and motivated. Surround yourself with supportive people. Seek out supportive relationships and surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. Seek out new opportunities. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. This can open up doors to new experiences and possibilities. Learn and grow. Always be open to learning new things and expanding your knowledge and skills. Stay organized. Use tools like a digital planner or a to-do list to keep yourself organized and on track. Celebrate your successes. Don't forget to reward yourself for your hard work and accomplishments. This will help to keep you motivated and on track. Remember, 2023 can be your best year yet if you set clear goals, create a plan, and work towards them consistently. With a positive mindset, strong support system, and a focus on personal growth, you can make 2023 the best year ever. Good luck!